When my gun clap, people die. Born bright like a sheet of light.
Whoa. Man, so when him gun clap, people bow. People like flat like, yo, man, some boy flat like sheet of ply. Now your lyrics, run tune.
What did he eat tonight? Stay rapping DCs for life. Hard cold, piece of ice.
Humbug. What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Oh, back with another reaction for you guys. Now I have Barbados again. The thing we forget about them down. We don't forget about none. We have Barbados that we touch, we have Green that we touch pan. It means everywhere we have touch pan now, we go back over Ghana. Yo, we go back over Guyana and we go over Gambia too. Everywhere we are going now. People we have Chief Diin. Goodbye pan the evil eyes rhythm. The man say Star Point Production. Big up yourself in the Star Point Production. They may say, you're a master. I think you're master mix over there. They may read the song, yeah? You know what I mean? People run up and like one upon the video, smash it like one, steer up like one. As you may say, tear up like one so the video get recommended to more people. Understand me? I try to say, drop some comment in the comment section so the video get recommended to more people. Thank you for the love and support. And we're ready to run tune.
Top. Firm.
Yeah. Instrumental, everybody there pan dog. You know me I say? Every single one there pan dog. I have to run 10 songs already pan that same instrumental. Go on though.
Siege.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Siege. I think you produce that beat, yeah? I hear a beat down. Big up a bumbuckle yourself, because a bad instrumental. You know me I say? I like how the man steady pan the beat too. I know what go off with that song. You see me I say? I remember I go mash it up. You see me, this thing Rebel 6 sang the pan. Yes, see them, see the thumbnail, look over works. Rebel 6 sang the pan, and same instrumental, World War 3. Yeah, bad song, a big rhythm, run tune though.
Rise it and aim. While I can't aim.
Buckle it. Today my bro God said I'm gonna rise it up with the paper. And I'm gonna aim it to the dog. And guess what, on the can't tame the buckle it, my paper, and ready for the song, yeah? Ready for the song, kick up and kick up people's teeth. Run tune, because a good man song game and a run tune.
Glock pop like champagne.
What?
Glock pop like champagne.
Buckle. That Russian like champagne, dog. Bro God, I saw you there with the thing that. Go on.
Green, enough like sun green. When my gun clap, people die. Born bright like a sheet of light.
Whoa. Man, so when him gun clap, people bow. People like flat like, yo, man, some boy flat like sheet of ply. Now your lyrics, run tune.
What did he eat tonight? Stay rapping DCs for life. Hard cold, piece of ice.
Humbuckle.
Bro,
got some hard cold like piece of humbuckle belt. Ice. You see me I try to say if you think somebody got a little pity with you, no. You see me something like easy for you, no. Man, I mash it because I'm hardcore like piece of bumbuckle belt ice. Run tune.
Your father and your niece got by. When my gun clap, people die. Born bright like a sheet of light.
Yeah.
It tastes nothing to the later guys. Somebody did eat tonight.
What you deal with them so? When you can't put them on them car, shipping from our Barbados people and you hear about. But the brother can't drive. Hold on the people. Some bumbuckle shining man try reverse him car beside of my car. You feel an idiot. Run tune.
Stay rapping DCs for life. Hard cold, piece of ice.
He said stay rapping DCs.
Before you're dead.
Remember now what go on for that DC. I feel like a group that empowered, I feel gang that I didn't say I know. I know what go on. No, somebody know what go on. So only film me in the I say so drop me in the comment section and follow me on the gram, Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. As I say, I start posting regular over there. So they say so I know the video drop before it even drop. And guys, who are not subscribe to the channel, please touch the bell to get notified every time I post a video. Because you know someone post very often, right? And YouTube now the notification them. I didn't watch you get a cash in car. Anyways, run tune.
It's me. Tell your mother, your father, and your brother, and your distant boy. Star point ain't soft like water on paper. I don't talk like a commentator.
Hold on. No, me a commentator because me a chat enough now. But hold on, calm down. Him start speak the bad lyrics them now I kick up people teeth in the people. Watch out.
Bout me and my team, we don't fire guns that taper. Rusty or a scraper. Shoot straight like the equator. Bet people
me. But them know about shift did. You see me I say, I soon spam the song them and I react to them. I tell them say everything will comment to them, I go react them. Everything will drop in the comment section, I go deal with them. support, you know, dog. Just want them give me the support. Me give me back on the ask for that. Run tune!
Maker, the creator, slippy means that we cremate ya. I am the LIFE taker. A lot of these men got bitch we has been this way.
Look a bit, I don't mind if I just go back a little bit in the song game himself. Just a little thing in a bit. Oh no, I'm go back. I'm run tune. I run tune. Go on.
Yes, fire from my sick blaze. My gun never jam. It all look like fish cage. Empty all in your rib cage. Boss of the beer, no one.
Yo, dog! No! Bumbo clad. Don't laugh after me. No, laugh after me. I'm left light on that. I'm left light on the house, dog. I don't know after that again. The man said shot Ali equate blood clog. Go on.
No mistakes, not so warm. This brace. Allah Selassie Jesus, I could have give praise. Grave digger still dig graves. When my gun clap, people die.
No, man, they're ready up bad. Bro, God. Big up yourself, a singer. You can't buy a car, dog. Big up yourself in the shift. You don't know chopping up people. One thing about the song. You say if a singer kick out teeth right now, I want to see the fire emoji right now in the comment section. You did me I say? Run up on the like button, people. Spam the like button. I can't even say it enough. Spam the like button. And thank you for subscribing. You thank you. You did me I say? Run tune!
People want bread like a sheet of ply. It takes nothing to delete a guy. Somebody did EAD tonight.
Somebody's dead tonight. Bumbo cloud, hear the chorus already, so I'm going to run up that song because now I hear the chorus again, you know what I mean? Retro!
Die, born bread like a sheet of shot so down and girl it so for sure.
No, hold on, no, see that again, me not going to skip out this, I want you wait when I start spit the lyrics, them. You can't tell me.
But the boxes when I raise my Glock 6, but like boy drop kick. Shot so down and girl it so for sure them toxic.
Hold on, you see a little language barrier thing now? A little language barrier thing that will get me messed up now, so run back a little bit and talk again. Talk your talk now.
Full my clip, so I got to get shots by the boxes when I raise my Glock 6, but like boy drop
Pull
kick.
my clip, so I got to get the shots by the boxes. Yeah, that a while ago. Run back a little bit again.
Girl, it's so for sure them toxic. I don't have to raise the mop stick because each of my handguns got switched. One press.
Well, wait. I don't have to raise the mop stick because each of my organs. Me no hear me something. You see me attack pushes now. I don't got to raise the mop stick because. Hold on.
Stick because each of my handguns got switched. One press make men TikTok and talk tick.
One press make man TikTok and talk tick. And that him say, anyway, that him say that shot man say one press make men TikTok and talk tick. Anyway, that him say dog. And me a fire dog. Be a fire emotion come. Yo, dog, man, I'm dog. Run, dog. Run, John.
Shooters that's make targets drop quick. Raise it and aim, while and can't aim. It takes nothing to shoot out a man brain Glock publisher.
Raise it and aim while and can't aim. Shout out to yourself, shout out to Wild Gang. You're a gang, you don't know chat. Me ain't no gang, but I say it's a big up your thing. The message shout out to Wild Gang. The message shout out to all your people. I'm watching video right now. Anyway, right on. You like the video yet? Go on!
Yeah, shot enough like sand grain, it long like hand rail. Raise it and aim,
hold on, more you were saying.
While I can't aim, it takes nothing to shoot out a man brain Glock publish champagne, shot enough like sand grain, it long like hand rail.
Hand real. Oh, the bumbo clock, real them yag. Bumbo clock! Yo, Jano Star. People, run up on the like button again. And if you made it to this point in the video, guys, thank you for watching the full video. You did me myself. Watch the ads too. Run tune.
When my gun clap, people die. Boom, break like a sheet of ply. Yeah. It takes nothing to delete a guy. Somebody did EAD tonight.
Big up to everybody on the radio, man. They're instrumental. Them look bad. They did me and say, what my name again? If you remember our brother named CJ, DJ. Big up your blood piece, everybody. It's been a boy, Ty the Reaction Boss. Were you entertained? If you were, please show me that you were by liking the video. Then me I say, screen a chat or screen a card your favorite part from the reaction and tag me in it on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Tag me, tag your artist, make your artist know so me I do the reaction and what I say. Me I say, and all the artists that want me do the reaction to, big up for themselves. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description for the show. Say, yo, people have to watch the reaction, go watch the artist video again, get the next view again. I see me I say, I suddenly support the people them though. So I tell you, watch reaction, boss reaction, and you little over here, say, go back over and say, boy, more clock, this boy just react to. Anyway, big up on yourself, it's been a boy, Ty, I'm out.